So I found this $30 wireless mic on Amazon and honestly, I didn't expect much, but sometimes cheap founding surprises you, right? So let's unbox it and test it. I'm Shobhi. Welcome to the series review on SVTV. It comes with 3.5 mm jack, Type-C and lightning adapter for iPhones. No crazy setups, just plug it in and you're good to go. Even if you are like me, you don't want to mess with settings, this thing is as easy as it gets. So I tried it indoors for a few vlogs and interviews, and honestly, it's a pretty solid for the price point. Audio is clear and it's perfect for quick shoots where you don't want to deal with bulky gears. But then I took it outside and well, that moment, when wind just blows into your mic and you can't hear a thing. Yeah, this mic doesn't support wind very well, so for outdoors, it's a big no. But you're tight on your budget, so you can add a windscreen filter to your microphone. So I was surprised. I walked about 60 meters away and it still picked up very well. For casual stuff like street interviews and vlogs, it gets the job done. In most of my videos, I use this Sennheiser Lavalier mic. It's a bit bulky, but if you are good at editing, you can make the audio sound amazing with Premiere Pro and Audition. But what about this $30 mic? Let's see how it performs. Okay, so this is me using $20 mic and you can hear the clarity. But for casual and quick vlogs, this $30 mic still holds its ground, especially if you are tight on a budget. So would I recommend it? Yes. If you are starting out or need something quick and affordable, this $30 mic is a solid option. Just don't expect studio level sound. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and follow SVTV for more honest reviews. Thank you.